It's getting worse outside. Whatever do not go outside in this very shitty, very bad conditions. Just a warning. I'm going to need to figure it out. Using an umbrella to only protect my phone. Trying to discover any, oh fuck. I think I could kind of hear the sirens. You guys trying to put this. Oh fuck. What the hell? Where's the lighting so weird? I've been outside for like less than 10 minutes. Less than 20 minutes. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Round 2, okay. Hold up. Oh fuck. Shit. Okay. Just gonna protect myself from me. It's getting worse outside. And pretty soon it's gonna turn into a hill. Again. Any worse, there's storms out here. Oh shit. My phone's wet, but not that wet, just only and about 50 droplets on it. All separated. It's getting dark outside. This is why I just want to document storms. You know, I don't want to document storms. I just want to record storms, actually. I just want to get the dream that I never got it before. Oh my god. No, not gotten before. I want to try it anyway. I think this is my first time risking my own health life right now. Oh fuck. Just trying to capture some thunderstorms. I'll be done, I'm done. One more part for this. Or a couple of parts.